Welcome to the CEAMS website tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to access your data. Go to your web browser and type in csu-ceams.com. On the home page, you're going to click the Login button. Please put in your username and your password and then click Sign In. On the home page, a dot will appear which shows your measurements. If you hover over, you can click and see either your PM2.5 or your AOD and also the ratio between the two. If you hover over the time series, you'll see the individual measurement values. If you click on View More Data, this will take you to your data page with the time series of your observations. You can also reach this from the home page by clicking on Devices and then clicking on the name of your device. On this page, you'll be able to look at the time series of PM2.5 and AOD. Here it's showing the full range of PM2.5, so if you want to, you can zoom in over a certain range. And then you can look at each one of your observations. You can also save these by downloading these as a PNG. This takes a snapshot of the graph. You can also look further back in your measurements. You can look at 3 days, or you can look at 7 days back. This is showing a gap. This is when I took it inside to charge it. And these high observations were from my neighbors. If you want to download your data, click the Download Data button. You'll click the date range that you want, and then you'll give a description for yourself. I'm going to call this the last weekend of September. Once you've given a reminder, you can download the selected data. You could either access this from your home page through the notifications, like I'm showing here. If you click on this, it will take you to your file downloads. Click Download and it will automatically start to download the CSV file. You can also reach this from the bar on the left by clicking the Data. Going back to the devices or the data here, again you can download. You can open this file in Excel. And if you look at the time steps, it's showing the most recent observation first. If you would like to use these CSV files, please contact the team and we'll give you a complete explanation of all of the different columns. Also on the home page, we have some information about our project and access to help pages. With getting started, there's some troubleshooting and some information on starting it. If you don't see your question, you can use this form to email us. There's also access to the user's manual. On the facts page, we have different information about the science behind the CEAMS project. You can click on each one of these things to learn more about different aspects of the project. Once you're done on the website and you've looked at your data, remember to be able to log out by clicking on the icon with your initials.